Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Tiida brake pads. Begin by ensuring safety. Park level, set the handbrake and chock wheels. Loosen lug nuts, lift the car with a jack and secure it on stands. Remove the wheel and inspect the rotor and caliper. Keep parts organized and clean surfaces with brake cleaner. Work methodically and avoid rushing to protect yourself and the car. Slide the caliper off the rotor after removing its bolts and support it so the brake hose holds no weight. Pull the old pads free and check the retaining clips and hardware for damage. Use a C-clamp to slowly push the piston back into the caliper until it sits flush. Clean the caliper bracket and apply brake grease to contact points to prevent noise and ensure smooth pad movement. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical car guides. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how I think about money and made my long-term plans easier to handle. Check the description for the link and other deals related to tools and parts. And now let's get back to the video. Place the new pads with any supplied shims or clips, ensuring correct orientation and secure fit. Reposition the caliper over the pads and tighten bolts to the recommended torque using a calibrated wrench. Refit the wheel, lower the vehicle, and torque lug nuts in a star pattern for even seating. Before driving normally, pump the brake pedal to build pressure and perform a low-speed brake test to confirm proper operation and no unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.